Hi guys, this is Jacob Wieringa, and today I will be showing you how to make Eddie Brock from a Venom movie. First, you're going to need this brown leg piece, and then you're going to need a Rebellion's Trooper's body along with some tan hands. Sorry, I just coughed. And you're going to need Star-Lord's head, but it's also Bucky Barnes' head. It's also Rebellion's Trooper's head. And it's also Odin Grady's head. And last but not least, you can put this hairpiece on. But if you don't have this hairpiece, you can put this hairpiece or this hairpiece. It's whatever you want. But personally, I think this hairpiece is better. And thank you for watching. And this is Jacob signing out.